scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Government debt questions get easy fast when you track whether money is coming in or going out, so watch this and lock it down quickly. Government debt is the accumulation of past borrowing. So if the government keeps spending more than it collects, debt grows. But if it brings in extra money, debt can shrink. A budget surplus happens when government revenue is greater than government spending, which means there's money left over after covering expenses, and that leftover can reduce existing debt. So the choice that decreases debt is the one describing a budget surplus, because excess revenue lets the government pay down what it already owes. Well done, option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust what is given, then check the steps. So surplus means debt falls.